All right, in this next video demonstration, we're going to go open up Active Directory users and computers and create some new users and groups. So we're going to go to Administrative Tools, Active Directory users and computers, go to the users container and right click, and we're going to say new user. And we're going to make a new user and we're going to call him Tom6, and let's give him a user login name of T6. Makes sense. For a password, we'll just use the typical password that we've been using in the classroom. Everybody should know what that is. And we are not going to make him change their password whenever they log in the next time. All right, we finished making Tom6. Let's make another user. Let's make Dr. Joseph Heider. So we're going to right click and new user. And we're going to say Dr. Joseph Heider. And we're going to make his username J Heider. Next, same password. And the last user we're going to make for right now will be an account for Lindsay Smith. We'll just make her L. Smith, following the same format we've been doing. First initial, last name. Right. All right, so we've got our users created. Now what we want to do is we want to create a couple of new groups. So we're going to create two new global security groups, one called Laboratory. So let's do a new group. I'm going to call this Laboratory. And we're going to make this a, again, global security group. Say OK. And we're going to make another new group. We're going to call this one Patients. And again, it's going to be a global security group. The next thing we want to do is we want to add Tom and Lindsay to the Patients group. So let's go to the Patients group and open it up. Look at the properties of that Patients group. And we want to add, go to the Members tab here and add our users Tom. And I'm going to put a semicolon there to separate the users, and Lindsay. Check the names on that. So we're going to add those two users, Tom6 and Lindsay Smith, to our Patients group. And then we also want to go into our Laboratory group, and we want to add in the member of Dr. Heider. So let's go Heider. Check his name. Oh, didn't like that one. Try that. See if that works. There we go. So we've now added Dr. Joseph Heider to the Laboratory group. And that's all we need to do for this portion of the lab.